Hi, I'm Dave Epstein. Welcome to this edition of Growing Wisdom. And it's early spring, and this is the time of year you start to see the damage from the winter. It's all over the place depending on what type of winter you've had. And this year we've had some very heavy, wet snow. So there's a lot of this sort of splitting of things. And sometimes things are split so much that you might have to just take them out. But in this particular case, it's a good example of a plant which is quite vigorous. And although this is a major branch, by removing it, everything else will fill in, and within 2 years you won't even really notice that this happened. Now, of course, if you have something like that, which is a huge tree which lost a main branch, that can be problematic, and you may have to have a professional arborist come in or a tree removal service to take care of that. But with this type of stuff, is all that you want to do is find a spot as close to the main branch as you can and just cut it at a nice sharp angle and take it out and dispose of it in a compost pile or wherever you get rid of your brush. The other choice you can do is to cut it up a little bit higher. So this branch is split so low, I'm just going to cut it right to the base. But the same thing happened here a couple of years ago or last year, and you can see the way I cut it. In this particular branch, notice that there's already new growth coming out from the sides, and that will fill in. I didn't want to cut that main branch all the way back. So you might have an ornamental plant which you can cut and it will flush out new growth, or you just lost a main branch, you take it out and everything else will fill in. Depending on your tree, just kind of evaluate it, step back, look at it, imagine what happens if you cut the whole branch out or if you just leave a part of it, and then make your decision. For Growing Wisdom, I'm Dave Epstein.